Hi, I'm Kathleen Ryan with Dietrich Process Systems. Today we're going to show you how to disassemble your PCF seal. This video will walk you through the process in 17 easy steps. For this task you'll need a flat blade screwdriver, a 3/16 of an inch Allen wrench, a 1/8 of an inch Allen wrench, a 1/16 of an inch Allen wrench. You will also need an O-ring extraction tool. In this tutorial, we used a ruler clip to remove the O-rings. You might find it helpful to pause the video after each step so that you can work along at your own pace. I hope you find this video informative, and for more information you can visit our website at ddpsinc.com. Step 1. Remove 3 packaging clips and retain for seal reassembly and installation. Step 2. Using a thin blunt instrument, push out the 2 adapter retention pins. Apply moderate hand or finger pressure on the adapter to release tension on pin during removal. Step 3. Remove adapter balance piston assembly from gland. Step 4. Remove threaded anti-rotation pin from gland. Step 5. Push back of sleeve collar assembly and remove from gland. Step 6. Remove lip seal from gland and discard or set aside for analysis. Step 7. Remove gland O-ring and discard or set aside for analysis. Step 8. Remove sleeve O-ring and discard or set aside for analysis. Step 9. Remove 2 collar screws and retain for seal reassembly. Step 10. Separate collar halves and remove from sleeve. Step 11. Remove plastic sleeves from the 2 collar pins and discard or set aside for analysis. Step 12. Remove balance piston face O-ring and discard or set aside for analysis. Step 13. Remove balance piston from adapter. Step 14. Remove adapter ID O-ring and discard or set aside for analysis. Step 15. Remove adapter OD O-ring and discard or set aside for analysis. Step 16. Remove springs from balance piston and discard or set aside for analysis. Step 17. Remove O-ring from the threaded retaining pin and discard or set aside for analysis.